Integral 0 to x log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Whether this integral is an even function or an odd function, that is what we have been asked to find out. So first what we will do, we'll try to find out the integral. For that we will use integration by parts. So we'll take our second function as 1 and the first function as log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. When we apply the integration by parts, what we will have is integral of second function, that is x into first function. So it will be x into integral of 1 is x into log of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x minus integral of second function, which is equal to x, and multiply that with derivative of first function. So that will be x into derivative of log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, which is 1 by 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Then by chain rule, we have to find out the derivative of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, which is in the form of u by v. So we will write down in the denominator v square, that is 1 plus x whole square. Then v into u dash, that is 1 plus x into minus 1 minus u into v dash, that is minus of 1 minus x into 1 dx. Now let us simplify this. We will have the first term as it is, x into log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x minus integral of, let us simplify this. What we will have? Minus integral of x into 1 plus x by 1 minus x multiply with, when we simplify the numerator, we will have minus 1 minus x minus 1 plus x. X and x will cancel, and in the denominator we'll have 1 plus x whole square. We have to do integral of this, so we'll put dx. When we simplify, we will have x into log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x minus integral of x into 1 plus x by 1 minus x multiply with minus 2 by 1 plus x whole square. Now 1 plus x will cancel one time. So when we go to the next step, we will have x log 1 minus x by 1 plus x minus one plus x will cancel one time, as we said. We will have plus 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Now we can take 1 minus x square equals to another variable. Then you can see that we have f dash x by fx form. So we can write down log of f of x. So let 1 minus x square equals to t minus 2x dx equals to dt. That means 2x dx equals to minus dt. So we have minus of dt by t, that is minus of log t. Let's work only on the second part. what we have here, minus of dt by t, which is minus of log t. Base is always by default e, so log t, that is equals to minus of log t, but t is 1 minus x square, so we can write it as minus of log 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Now let us combine first term and second term and see how we can simplify that. So we have x into log 1 minus x by 1 plus x minus log of 1 minus x into 1 plus x. We can get these two into single logarithm. For that, what we will do, this x, whatever we are multiplying, we'll take it as a power. So we'll write down log of 1 minus x whole to the power of x divided by 1 plus x whole to the power of x into 1 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x, because we have log a minus log b is log of a by b. When we simplify that, we will have log of 1 minus x whole to the power of x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole to the power of x plus 1. Now once we find the integral, we have to apply the boundaries on this. So when we apply boundaries x to 0, what we are getting is actually again back the same function only, because when you go for upper boundary, we will get the same answer, 1 minus x whole to the power of x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole to the power of x plus 1. And when we go to the lower boundary, we get log of 1, and log of 1 is 0. So we are getting the same function, whatever we are trying to integrate. It's after integral also we are getting the same function. Now we have to check whether this is an even function or a odd function. Let us understand first what is an even function, what is an odd function. Once we find the integral, let's understand what is an even function or odd function to check whether this particular function is an even function or an odd function. It is an even function, then f of minus x equals to f of x. If it is an odd function, then f of minus x equals to minus of f of x. Now we already know that this is our f of x. So let us find out what is our f of minus x. For that, what we will do, wherever x is there, we will substitute minus x. So we'll write down log of 1 minus x plus, we have to put plus x, and x plus I have to put minus x, so it will be minus x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x whole to the power of minus x plus 1. Now this can be also written as log 1 minus x whole to the power of x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole to the power of x plus 1, and that is equals to f of x. So f of minus x is equal to f of x. That means the given function is an even function. So integral of 0 to x log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is an even function.